Hello again. My name's Johnny, your certified spray technician here at ZebraScapes. We're on a property here in Prescott Valley, Tapestry. And so I just want to let you know what's going on. If you haven't got your weeds sprayed, this is the perfect time to do it. I would love to take care of you. First of all, I want to mention that when we do spray, we're very aware of people, animals, water, things like that. And so that's something that we have to be safe with. And one of the ways we do that is we put a slight dye in there, and this is what it's going to look like. I just want to show you real quick. So we can take care of walkways, we take care of fields, we take care of rock areas, decorative rock. We know that weeds tend to grow in those areas. And so you can see the slight difference between color change. This is very dark, and then this is the light greenish color that you're going to get. But I have to be aware of cars and people, and so I have to use a low pressure when it comes to places like this. But either way, we're taking care of you, and we're taking care of the areas. Yep.
Whoa, whoa. Here I come.